Hello students, in the previous class you have studied about adaptation of animals in the tropical rainforest. Today we shall study about each of these organisms living in the tropical forest. First is in the red-eyed frog. A red-eyed frog lives on trees in tropical rainforest. They have sticky pads on their feet that helps them to climb trees. It does not live in water and has a green back and a creamy underside. It has big and bulging bright red eyes and it is nocturnal. Nocturnals mean it can see during the night time also. So it sleeps during the day and becomes active during night and feeds on the insects present on the tree. The bulging eye of the frog protects it from its predator. The sudden opening of the big and the bright red eyes frightens the predator for a while, and in the meantime, the frog gets time to jump to a safer place. So this is a very important adaptation of the red-eyed frog, which is a very characteristic of this organism. The green color of the frog, it helps it to hide within the green leaves of the tree and helps it to protect from the predators by camouflage. Now, because of this environment, it does this process of camouflage, so adaptation according to the surroundings. So the blending of the color, so that's why it has a green color and red color eyes, so that fright the it can frighten the predator. Okay, you can watch a video on the red-eyed frog. It is also called as red-eyed tree frog. It hardly lives in the water. It lives on the tree. These frogs have vivid red eyes which are used to startle the predators. As I have already discussed, while sleeping, their nictitating membrane conceals their eyes in a brilliant way. They are found in tropical lowlands in Central and South America. See their lower back, white color. It is poisonous also. Frogs are an indicator species. An abundance of frogs means a healthy ecosystem. Okay, so we have finished with the red-eyed frog. Next is adaptation in monkey. Now monkeys, we all know about monkeys, right? We have always seen a monkey and we always call each other by a very and with the name of an animal which is very close to us, that is monkeys, right? Because we belong to the ape family, they are our ancestors. So the monkeys living in the tropical rainforest have long tails for grasping branches. You can see their hands and feet are adapted in such a way that they can easily hold the branches of the trees. The eyesight of monkey is very good, which helps them in leaping between the branches to escape from their predators. Monkeys eat fruits, seeds, leaves, root and insects as their food, which is present in abundance in tropical rainforest. View on the lion. Okay, so in the next class we shall do with the lion tail, macaw and the toucan